cameras, okay?
Okay.
Because this is story time. You can't do yours.
Alright.
I just want to send some text messages. Just ignore me.
Okay. I can see the Holly. I can see the bells. This is a story. Remember. I can see the candle. You can't do those because it's story time.
Okay, I'm sending a text message to Christopher.
I know. I can see the candy cane. I don't need help. I can see the ornaments.
Snack break?
So I can read better. I can see the angel. I can see the bow. I can see the I don't know what these are again.
Carolers.
Killers. Well, I'm a kid, but I'll be kidding my teacher. I can see the what are these? Stockings. I can see the leaf. Leaf.
Wreaths are so nice.
This is a wreath. I can see the lights. What's this?
Elf.
I can see the elf. What's an elf for?
It's like one of Santa's helpers. The elves help make the toys.
You mean the little elves? You mean that make toys a lot? You mean a little,
Yes.
little of these don't like to make toys?
Yeah,
The
they do.
one with yellow hair doesn't like to make toys.
Oh.
I can see the presents.
This word means presents, but it's gifts.
Gifts. I can't really read that. Gifts. I can see the tree.
Ooh, this is
I-
a hard one.
Can see the flowers.
Well, this says poinsettia. That's the kind of Christmas flower it is.
Poinsettia.
Wow, very good. Oh, I like this one. This might be one of my favorites.
I can see the reindeer. I never seen reindeer on this page. I can see Santa.
You know his other name? Claus.
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 Claus. Santa
With an
Claus.
animal hospital located?
I can see the sleigh. What does this say?
Over here first.
I can see the I don't know what this
List.
list.
Santa keeps a list.
I have a list.
You do?
And Jack has.
You have a list? What's on your
What
list?
does this
That
say?
says Happy Holidays.
Happy Holidays.
The end.
The end.
Look at Santa's list. Turn it this way so you can read it your way.
I don't know what it says. Allison! Jack! Christopher!
Who else?
I don't know what this says. Mommy!
And my
Amanda.
real name, Amanda.
Amanda. What does this say?
That's Daddy's real name.
Hmm.
What does Mommy
Michael.
call Daddy? Oh. Michael.
Michael. Why does it say that? Did you write
Those
that?
are our names.
Santa must have made that list for you.
No, that's a fake guy. It's,
You read the whole book.
how about we spell the N on this?
Good idea. Let's do that.
I don't know how to spell it. Tell me.
I think you know how to spell the.
I don't know how.
Helen.
T. I will give you the letters. You write them. T.
It's a T.
Yeah. H.
One-on-one marketing advice, search engine marketing, and direct mail.
E.
Yellow Book's got all.
Get better and better. I mean, they play hard. They need to learn how to play hard together all the time. That's the same.
Then end is E.
Leave a space.
New word to leave a little break there.
Isolate the big guy inside, and when you move the ball to different spots, you're ultimately going to catch that big guy adjusting his
Question mark.
E.
Taylor with a steal for the Jayhawks. You bring it down, they take it.
N.
Shot, long rebound.
D. Nice work. The end. Good job. Good
The
reading, good writing.
End. The end.
Good
The end.
job. That's a nice
The
Christmas.
end. The end.
Hold the book up so we can see the cover. The front cover. Hold it up for me to take a picture. I can see Christmas.
Click.